All right, this is like the first and the last probably vlog that I'm going to do here, but the gyms are back. They're open post COVID, and it's a weird experience going back. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go work out one day, make a video, show them how post COVID gym going looks like in India. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to share as much as possible, and hopefully that gives you the confidence to come out, step out into the gym and get your workouts in. Two absolute bare minimums in this new world: mask and sanitizer, right? Especially in the gym. So put these up in your gym bags and let's get going. That's another thing. Okay, here's something I wanted to ask you guys. When you get back to the gym, what's the first workout you're gonna get? Comment that below. Comment your answers. I want to know what's the first workout that you're gonna get when you're back into the gym. So this was a one-floor gym, okay? And the second floor was just left for extra space and then workouts for Zumba and whatnot. Now it's all socially distanced. Now we have two floors, both fully utilized. So they've not left a square inch of space. They have these little sanitizer bottles here so that one can actually spray on the machine that someone else has used so that it's clean before you use it. So nobody's here. I'm going to remove the mask. So the first thing I want to say is that I'm happy that I can come here. I'm tired doing home workouts and my strength has gone down. I've gained some fat. But I'm also grateful because so many people I know, 1 in 10, 1 in 15 people have faced some brunt of the coronavirus financially, mentally, family-wise. So yeah, I'm thankful that I can come here and just work out, get some mental clarity. Okay, here are some pointers I'd like to give you, right? So the first thing is muscle soreness. You've been off from the gym for 5 months. Don't overdo it. You're gonna get body ache. You're gonna get all sort of things triggered if you play around with your body. So go slow. I suggest don't change your workout for 4 to 6 weeks. Keep it like a plateau and then probably scale up from there. So don't fuck around with your body. Don't try to gain all the strength back. Don't try to build all the muscle that's lost, or don't try to go overdo it on the cardio machines. I heard some person in Delhi, some 19-year-old guy, same age, right? He went to the gym back and he overdid it and he's now in the ICU. I saw that news today morning. I'll put it up here. But, don't play around with your body. Please don't. Alright, the second one is don't try to believe in false myths. Some people tell you that working out with a mask is like high altitude workouts, and some people will tell you working out with a mask will lead to death or something like that. So stay cautious. Do not believe in false truths which will hinder your progress in the gym, because everything has a corona connection nowadays. So don't believe anything. Stick to the basics. Also, I don't want to bore you guys, but this is the new normal, right? Until a vaccine comes or until we discover something, people can't stop working out, right? And if you're telling, okay, I'll do it next month, I'm going to wait, how long? Right? This is how it's going to happen. So yeah, rest assured, this is how your new gymming experience will be, and be prepared for it. All right, so my leg day is done. This is what the new normal is. No people in the gym on a Sunday morning. This is crazy. And I'm telling you, this is the new normal. Until we devise a vaccine or something happens, I don't see this experience change. All right, that's the video. Social distanced, sanitized, and spaced out with no people in the gym is the future. You can't stall it anymore. This is what it is. I'll be back with another video, insightful, interesting one, pretty soon. And yeah, comment as I told you what your first workout's gonna be. Drop a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you feel like this is worth it. And yeah, I'll be back soon And in the meanwhile, whatever that is that you're doing, hopefully you have a productive ass week. Bye bye.